Welcome to Gishnu Gears, a leading name in the gear and gearbox manufacturing industry. With almost 3 decades of experience and a commitment to quality, we are here to redefine your gear solutions. Established in 1995, Gears Private Limited has been at the forefront of gear engineering and technology. In 2011, we proudly introduced Gishnu Gears, specializing in manufacturing a comprehensive range of standard and customized gearboxes. Quality is the foundation of our organization. We are ISO 9001, 2015 certified, ensuring that every gearbox we produce meets and exceeds international standards. With state-of-the-art machinery and highly skilled engineers, we deliver high-precision products that meet your specific requirements. Our dedication to quality has earned us a vast client base in industries such as engineering, automobile, and aerospace industry. We take pride in our nationwide service support and prompt delivery. No matter where you are, we are there for you. With a wide distribution network, we serve customers around the globe. Our strategic location in Coimbatore, South India provides easy access to international airports and ports, facilitating efficient delivery worldwide. At Gishnu Gears, we envision being the premium organization operating globally, continuously strengthening gear and gearbox engineering through robust technology and innovation. Our mission is to provide high-quality products, superior customer service. We are committed to meeting customer expectations of quality, delivery, and reliability. Our manufacturing methods are constantly upgraded, and we strive for continual improvement. Before shipment, every product undergoes rigorous testing to ensure the highest quality standards. Following are the biggest accomplishments and newsworthy events of our past ambitious history. 1995, Gears Private Limited was founded. 2000, Arasur premises built. 2002, horizontal machining centers installed. 2005, export to over 12 countries. 2009, spiral bevel gearbox for Ashok Leyland Dost. 2011, Gishnu Gears was born. 2014, power-saving bevel helical gearboxes were launched. 2022, making a grand entrance onto the global stage with a resounding impact. 2030, to be the top gearbox manufacturer. Success comes from taking the initiative and following up. Experience the Gishnu Gears difference: high-quality gearboxes, personalized solutions, and competitive pricing. Join our ever-growing family of satisfied customers and let us redefine your gear experience. Gishnu Gears, where we transform innovation